I really would love to know that what was the major problem which you faced when you opened a clinic? What was the major issue which you faced?
So one of the major issues was less finances. That's always been, that's a common ground for us.
Yes,
So
yes.
I started with whatever I had and slowly built it up with the good practice. And I just made it a point that I should have a good accounting system in place, which many
Hmm.
of Indians don't have. I wouldn't say dentists. Dentists and doctors are the worst financially literate. I should say that with apologies, but
But
we have
that's true.
very low financial literacy when it comes to handling accounts. We try to
Yes.
run away from it. Indians itself, as a middle class mentality, we try to not talk about money, which is not correct. So I had from the start a good accounting system, a good finance system. I knew where my
Hmm.
money was coming in, where it was going. So one of the hurdles which I started with, that the finance was low, I could quickly overcome. I could quickly overcome by having a good plan in action. That okay, this much percentage I will definitely put again in my business of my profits. Whatever profits I'm earning, I will put it back in my business to help it grow. And
Hmm.
I did literally cut down on vacations. I cut down on expenses, expensive watches, expensive phones. I did not buy them, just to make sure that I have the best of materials, technology to offer to my patients in the clinic. So my
Hmm.
profitability per se, the take home profit was very less in the first 3 to 4 years. But that's
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, Many other hurdles I did face. One of the hurdles was mentality. Like I could see a lot of people around me practicing in a certain way. And when I read research articles, papers, I could see that there was a big gap between what was actually advocated in the research journals and what was being practiced. But I tried to
Okay.
bridge that gap, try to meet the patient's expectation along with what is scientific evidence. So I did read up a lot and yeah, try to bridge that gap so that we can give good dentistry as well as we can practice what we really want to and what is proven by evidence. About the negativity which everybody was throwing at me, that Indian patients do not pay, they don't opt for good quality crowns, you get FMR is very difficult with a lot of difficulty. People do not prefer dental implants by the fear of surgery. I just worked on my technique to make dentistry as painless as possible, as easy as possible, so that when I do a consultation, I tell the treatment plan, I have full confidence in my abilities and my team's abilities.
Hmm. That's important. Actually, to have a very good team is equally important to have a very good doctor. So it should resonate with us. So their success actually should lie in the clinic success. It's like that.